This is a final video to fix the code 1002 error in the Rockstar Games Launcher once and for all. Are you tired of seeing that annoying error message every time you try to play your favorite games? This problem usually happens because your computer and the launcher are not talking to each other the right way. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are way too long and make things feel much harder than they actually are. Here at Rexish, we make things easy for you. There are 4 proven methods to fix this error right now. I guarantee that at least one of these will work for you, even if your launcher seems completely broken. You should pause the video right now to try these methods one by one, or take screenshots so you do not miss anything. We will not waste your time with confusing settings or long speeches. Just follow the methods step by step as they appear on your screen right now.